On April 24th, at a Home Depot in Dallas, Texas, there was a shooting that left 2 police officers severely wounded. Their suspect for the shooting was Luis Juarez. A manhunt was soon started for Luis. He was arrested Tuesday night after a quick chase. He had been charged for aggravated assault. April 24th, there was a shooting at a Home Depot in Dallas, Texas. April 24th, Luis Juarez was arrested for a shooting at a Dallas Home Depot. It is unclear how the shooting unfolded, but a search was started as soon as Luis fled in his white pickup truck. The incident started when an off-duty officer called for backup officers for an arrest. Luis Juarez is a 29-year-old man who was arrested for the shooting at the Home Depot. A civilian who was working as a loss prevention officer was also injured in the shooting. The chief asked to please keep officers, their families, and departments in their prayers. The 2 officers who were wounded were the 2 first responders. Luis is being charged with many counts for aggravated assault. In conclusion, a shooting had taken place Tuesday at a Home Depot in Dallas, Texas. The shooter is Luis Juarez, a 29-year-old male. The 2 police officers were injured in the shooting. Luis Juarez is being charged with many counts of aggravated assault. The chief asked that people keep the officers, families, and departments in their prayers. Here's my work cited. The author is Jamil Lynch. It was published April 25th, 2018. The title is Dallas Shooting, 2 police officers injured, man arrested. I accessed this website April 26th, 2018. There's a URL. And here is my source. See, there's a picture of the crime scene. Goodbye.